Hello viewers, this is Dao2Fast here. In today's video, I will show you this car dash camera. This one I have here is the Conbrov T17, and this is the world's smallest car dash camera. It features a 1.5-inch color LCD display and records in Full HD 1080p. It has built-in G sensor and also night vision recording. So let me unbox this and I'll show you what the camera looks like. And here it is. As you can see, it's very small. Here we have the USB cable with the micro USB connector, microSD memory card reader, windshield mount, 12-volt power adapter, a pin for resetting the camera, and the user manual. And here's a look at everything you get with this car dash camera. Just looking at this camera is incredibly small. I'm not sure about you guys, but I have not seen a car dash camera this tiny. Now I did measure the dimension of the back here. The height, it's 1¼ inch. The length is 2 inches. The depth of this is 1/4 inch. Now if you include the lens, it's 1¼ inch. Now as a comparison, I have this other car dash camera on the left side here, which is pretty average size. And when I place this next to this Conbrov car dash camera, you can really see the size difference between these two. Here's a side view, front view. So let's take a closer look at this camera. On the back we have the 1.5-inch color LCD display. On the right side we have the menu button. Below that, this is the OK button. This is the mode button. And this is the power button. Next to the menu button we have the LED status light. On this side, we have the up select and down select. On the other side, we have the microSD memory card slot. At the top, we have the micro USB connector to power up this camera. This is the windshield mount. Here's a look at the bottom. And on the left side, we have the reset button. And on the front, we have the speaker on the left side right here. Now let me give you some spec on this camera. It records in Full HD 1920 by 1080. The lens on this is a 110-degree wide-angle lens. The camera supports up to 32 GB of memory size. There is a built-in 85 mAh rechargeable battery inside. Let me show you how to install this windshield mount, which is also very small. And what you want to do is take this end over here and slide it onto the top of the camera. And then place this side onto the windshield, and there's a latch that you want to press down. It'll lock it in place. Then you can also adjust the angle of the camera and tighten this nut right here. Next, we'll install the memory card. The power cable that comes with this unit is 11 feet long, so that'll give you enough length to run it from the top headliner down to your center console. And what you want to do is take this end with the micro USB connector and connect it to the car dash camera. And then we'll plug the other end into the 12-volt accessory port. Now once the camera is powered on, the recording will begin automatically. That's indicated by the flashing red dot right here. If you want to stop the recording, press the OK button right here, and that'll stop the recording. Let's go into the set menu by pressing the menu button right here. Now the list of menu you see right here is for setting up the camera. So if I scroll down to the first item, this is resolution. And default is Full HD, which is 1920 by 1080p. And you can select also HD, which is 720. Next one's VGA. Let's go back to Full HD. Okay. Next item down is loop recording. By default, it's 3 minutes. So this camera will record continuously with 3-minute video clips. Record audio on or off. Default is on. Exposure, default 0. You can increase or decrease the exposure. Date stamp, you can turn on and off the date stamp. G sensor, by default is off. You have the option for 2G, 4G, or 8G. I'm going to select 2G. Okay. Press the menu button again. Now you have the system setup. The first item is date and time. So here you can set the date and time of the car dash camera. Next item is auto power off. So if the camera is not recording, you can set it so it'll turn off automatically. Screensaver. Here you can set the screensaver time. Default's off. beep sound, on or off, language, lens flip, frequency, format to format the microSD memory card, default setting to revert back to factory default, and the version of the software. Press menu again. Now you're back to the video record mode. Next, we'll press the mode button. Now this is the photo taking mode. If you press the OK button, it'll take a snapshot. Press the mode button again. This is your playback menu. Press mode again. Now we're back to the video record mode. Now while the camera is recording, if you press the up select button, you can mute the audio. Press it again to unmute. Also, if you want to turn off the LCD while it's recording, press the power button once, and that'll turn off the LCD. Press the power button again, it'll turn it on. To install the Dashcam, place the suction cup onto the windshield, push it down, and then push the latch down to lock it in place. Connect the power cable to the micro USB connector at the top. Run the cable up to the headliner, over to your A pillar, and down to your center console. Plug your power adapter into your 12-volt accessory port. When I turn on the ignition, the Dashcam will turn on. As you can see from this review, this Conbrov T17 car dash camera is definitely compact and small. It's probably one of the smallest dash cam I've reviewed. With its small size, it still has a usable color LCD display on the back. Also, you have physical buttons you can press and access the control of this dash cam. As you saw in the daytime video recording, even though the camera records in 1080p, the picture quality was a bit grainy. The video recording does have good exposure and contrast. When it comes to the nighttime recording, it's interesting to see the video changes from color to black and white when the road you're driving on gets really dark. But you'll notice a black and white video recording is very clear and you can make out a lot of details. Overall, the dash cam is very easy to set up and operate. If you're looking for a dash cam that's very compact and does not occupy a lot of space on your windshield, this might be something you can consider. If you want to check it out, I will include the link in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comment section. And don't forget to click on the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.